So hey there everybody, as always, welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. My name is Rich, I'm the channel host, and normally we're talking about doing drone work, imaging work, custom presentations to construction clients. We do a little bit of everything. Right now what you're seeing on screen is set up for doing a 360 virtual tour. This is shot with the Theta Z1, Ricoh Theta Z1. And we're going to be going through a house that's part of our larger project, the Solstice Ridge project. Now, I've been missing for a little bit. I didn't mean to be, but we've been busy with things, work items from clients. Let me break it down for you really quick, and then we're going to talk about what's up on screen here. Um, Last Thursday, we had a large shoot, or I'm sorry, last Wednesday, we had a large shoot. 4,600 square foot home on the Prescott Lakes golf course. So Jody was shooting that one. I was doing the aerials for it. And this house took a little while. It's not the house that you're looking at here. So Wednesday, the day was completely full. We didn't even get to start editing because of the time of day that we had started doing the shoot. Thursday, we had another pop-up item come up, another shoot that Jody was handling that part. Once again, I was doing some 360s and I was doing some videos in that home. Not going to see those here. So Wednesday, all booked up, not even editing. Thursday, all booked up, not even editing. Friday, we started getting some edits done for the 4,600 square foot house. Jody was doing that. We don't offshore our images. We do all of the editing work here in our own studios. So we prefer our personal touch, let's say. So Wednesday busy, Thursday busy, Friday doing edits, Saturday doing edits, and some other items as well. And then let me see here. Then on Sunday, we actually went out and did our newest See My Build for the Solstice Ridge project. So Saturday, I was flying our sites, doing our ortho mosaics, doing the models, doing the still images, doing the video, which you see all of up here. And so we captured all of that on Sunday, and we had an additional request to do another unique home. So Jody once again went to town on that, doing all the stills. And while she was doing all the stills, I had brought the Ricoh Theta Z1 with me because I decided it's been a while since I've gone through a home or a business or maybe a construction site even and doing 360 walkthroughs. So this particular walkthrough is a real quickie. So once again, Jody was shooting the other rooms here. This has a basement level and an upper level. And actually, this is a home that I almost want to live in. It's pretty nice looking. By the way, I'm looking down over here because I'm keeping this on a timer. And with that said, I just wanted to say that I'm thinking about doing live streams again. I haven't done them in a long time. I'd love to hear down below if you would like to see some live streams here again. The biggest problem I had was that chat window on the live stream. I never quite got that right, so I didn't know when people were saying something to me, and it's been a while. All right, what you're looking at here is from Sunday. So while we did our regular flight, and now we did another house, I decided just to go through. No one's getting this, no one's paying for this. I just wanted to grab some of these images and work on them as well. Because, all these tools that we use, all of the techniques and everything, if you don't use them regularly, you can get rusty. It'll slow you down in your post-processing. So here and there for fun, and we can have fun, by the way. Doesn't have to be serious drone pilot all the time. You can actually enjoy some of this as well. So while Jody's out shooting on Sunday, I am going through, I like this one, so I'm going to keep it here. And so we're just going through the entryway, and you can see, this is actually really good looking in here. The white balance, I cooled off just a bit. These don't have to be perfect. And, I've been testing, with our white balance. Things actually do cool off in the hallways, but not that much. So we checked this one out, and we're going to, whoops, Rich is getting ahead of myself. There we go. So there's our first one, entryway, and a really cool little den office area, but it doesn't have any doors to close it. Next one is just a small hallway down to a small bathroom. And the next one, that's a longer hallway that takes us into the master bedroom. So we've got a master bedroom and a second bedroom here, and then 3 more down below. a couple of them would make really nice studios. So looking at this here, we cooled it off just a bit. Maybe we cooled it off too much for out here. And what I can do, let's just bring this back to a little warmer, not much more. And I think we're going to leave it right there. Once again, doesn't need to be exact perfection, especially doing these walkthroughs, because people are also paying attention to that 360 and the movement to the next room. So let me look down here and see. All right. Like I said, I'm giving myself a timer on this. We've got 4 minutes left. Let's go ahead and move on. Pulls us into the master bedroom, which I've already started working on a bit. And a couple of nice views. I'd like to get a little more detail out of the windows, but we'll see. And by the way, let me know down in the comments if you'd actually like to go through this process with me, setting up the walkthrough. So I'm not going to do it on channel if I don't have enough interest. But if you're interested in walking through a 360 tour with me in this brand new home, let me know in the comments below, please. So once again, I was just trying to cover what we've been doing over the last week, why I've been missing from YouTube a little bit, because we've had a lot of stuff going on. This is one hell of a master closet, by the way. This could be a little studio on its own as well. So I'm just coming back out of here, and we're going to the main living area. Well, living room area, I should say. So there's our exit right up there, and behind us we do have the home. So now I have played with the color. And I'm going to need to fix this one as well. So just going through these, here's our first look at that kitchen and living room together, plus the really good views out the windows. These came across really nice. I think they were shot at about maybe 11 or 11:30, something like that. So now getting into the kitchen and then our washer dryer, our little dining area that leads to the downstairs and the second bedroom up here. And let's take a look. Yeah, there's the stairs going down, and we actually do take the stairs down momentarily. There we go. So a couple of these I'll be deleting for sure. We don't need all of these. But we've got 3 additional bedrooms down here and a little area. They've got a fridge right down there. So maybe a little bar area, plus a nice living room area there as well. So going through the downstairs, there's a lot of room in this one for sure. A couple of extra bathrooms to go along with those bedrooms. So you're never far from a bathroom. That's awesome. So just taking a look around that downstairs area. This will be a fun tour when it's done. And, like I said, let me know down in the comments below. Also, if you'd like to see other things and talk through other things that we do here at AZ Drone, we do have a Patreon channel, patreon.com/richsharpentier. Several of my patrons have asked recently, how come you're not trying to reach out and find other folks who'd be interested in the Patreon and the channel? And the answer is, I am terrible at publicizing myself. So I'm good at sharing and showing people these things, doing tutorials, bringing you along. But I always forget to say, hey, check this out on our channel, or hey, check that on our channel. So I'm going to try doing that more often. And with that said, our Patreon channel is patreon.com/richsharpentier. And you can also go check out our classes at classes.azdrone, classes.azdrone.net, that is. And we do have a sale going on for our full bundle. 30% off for 18 classes. And with that, I'm down to 1 minute remaining. So like I said, just wanted to walk you through, catch you up on what we've been doing, show you some of the stuff we've been doing, and then, let you know if you'd like to learn a lot more with us, check out the Patreon channel, check out this channel, subscribe, of course, and then check out our classes.azdrone.net. And also, once again, let me know if you think that a live stream, a regular live stream, doing little tutorials would be of interest to you. If I get enough interest, we'll surely do it. If I don't get much interest from folks, then we won't waste the time on it. All right, everybody, I hope you have a good one. I hope you're all caught up with us. And now I'm actually going to go and work through this particular tour. And you'll probably see the tour pop up sometime on YouTube as well. See you, everybody.